Hello viewers, are you facing YouTube Swiss account option not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube Swiss account option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings option, and then scroll down, go to apps or apps management option. Now tap on search app, search YouTube, tap on YouTube app. Now scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store, tap on search app and search for YouTube. Now update your YouTube apps. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then normally restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to YouTube and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.